All right, we're gonna try this fancy wrap 'em up trick. Guy on the Swedish channel said this is how this works. So put the hooks down. Hook's gonna be down. Oiled it up nice. Both down. Put them over here. Looks like somebody's at the door. I wonder who that could be. Someone super helpful, I'm sure. I'll open the garage door, yes. This is going to be good. Alright, you in now? Go further. There you go. Super. Let me finish up this thing, okay? It's leaking some oil. I just oiled it up because it was not functioning at all. It's always good to get as much oil and grease on these things as you can. That way your hands will never be dirty. Alright, so then he says go to the end.
Okay, I'll go to the end.
You're going to go to the end too on yours? Sweet.
No, I'm not.
And then he says like roll it up.
Okay.
You rolling yours up too?
Yep.
Awesome. Not sure if I'm rolling it the right direction or not.
It doesn't really care.
Yours doesn't really care?
Nope.
Awesome.
Wrap it up like I am.
You wrapping yours up too?
Yeah.
Sweet.
I can't do it in a circle.
You can't do it in a circle. You do it in a square? You do it in a ball.
Yeah, this is ball.
You do a volley? Okay. No, I didn't follow the rest of the directions or see what he was doing here. Something like this. I think it was going on this side. There you go. This is gonna be like here. And then this comes around like this. It hooks onto here, I think. Look at that. Not too bad. Alright, so that's all oiled up and grimy and wrapped up to go.
Yeah, mine's too.
Yours is good too? Sweet. Alright, so one of the things that was suggested on the video I did was that maybe I had to bleed the system here. And I know I've done that before when I first got it. Everything worked good, so I went the other direction, but someone suggested we do the bleed procedure. So this is gonna look like you went up about that high. And then lifted these things up. And hopefully you guys can see some of this in the video. Using a 3/16 Allen wrench adapter. What do you call it? Kept ski adapter. Doesn't quite fit in here now that it's jacked up. Get a different wrench for that one. Normal lack of planning on my part. Oh, you're finding air pellets, all right.
Yeah, should I put it in the box?
Put it in the box. That's right. Let's see.
Right
You need a 3/16.
Should I put it in here or in the big box?
Just put it in the big box. Put in that, yeah, that little container. That's perfect.
Or I'll just put it in the little one.
Yeah, that's perfect. That'll work. Okay. That'll work a lot better. At least for unscrewing it.
Let's see how it goes.
A little bit of air came out of that one. Mostly oil. So I don't know. I had a hard time believing that much air would have caused my issues the other day. I think it was more the lack of an even load. So that's what the quick jack video between that and pressurizing pressurizing the air cylinders to come back down. Those are the two big things from setting them up, so. Not sure, at least I tried.
You're gonna have some sausages.
We have some coughs in the video now?
Yeah.
Alright, so just blend it out.
Good out.
Now I'm gonna go up and down, I don't know. Like everything goes up evenly and equally.
Dad, let me try it.
You can't ride it when it's on there.
And it's my tractor.
This is. So we're not supposed to go all the way up with it. So let it down. Can't go all the way up without weight on it. I don't think, even though your tractor is super heavy duty, I don't think it's gonna be heavy enough for this.
Yeah, maybe
So before we hit the locks, we gotta lift it up so we're not on the lock. So they seem to go up and down somewhat evenly. Well, right now we seem to be hitting a weird spot where they're not coming down evenly. Yeah. They're not horrible. This one here is going down, one closest to the camera here is going down faster than the other one. Nope, stay off there, bud. I'm gonna go back up with it. So you can hear air bubbles coming into the reservoir. Seems like we go up evenly.
Should I be in video too?
If you want to be in the video.
Yeah. Like riding my tractor.
You can't ride the tractor on the lift. It just seems more unsafe than even our usual situation.
Like I should be on the tractor when I went back.
You think so?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
When you're done, Dad.
Okay, when you're done. So I'm going to check the website again and see if there's any other instructions for bleeding them out, but maybe I could repressurize those return cylinders. I hear some air sounds like going into the reservoir, but yes. Yes, you can ride it now. I'm going to check the web, see what it says for bleeding these things again. Maybe I missed something.
And I'm in the video too. Hello.
Yeah, you are definitely a star.